let's say 0.5% of people convert. That means 1 in every 200. That means you'll get 5,000 purchases. Times that by, let's say, $30 per purchase. That's 150 grand from one shout out post that goes viral. Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'll be showing you guys Instagram influencer ads that work. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do you go ahead and create good Instagram ads for Instagram influencers, because everyone is doing it wrong. So I'll be showing you guys in this video how to do it correctly in 2019 and 2020. Before we get started, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls. The winners here. If you want to qualify, all you have to do is leave an awesome comment, tag your Instagram, like the video, go ahead and screenshot that, send it to me on Instagram, and I'll be picking a following winner every single video. It's simple as that. But let's get right into the video. So IG influencer ads that work. Here's your typical Instagram influencer page. A lot of people like to advertise on meme pages, fan pages, etc. So there's memes, daddy issues, insta.single, and this is sort of your typical Instagram IG page. And this is sort of what 99% of people. So here's some other examples. These are like men hairstyle, men fashion pages. And as you can see, the one circled in red, those are the typical IG ads you see. They're okay, they're sort of lifestyle shots, but they don't really blend into the feed. As you can see, it's pretty easy to tell these posts straight away. A good Instagram ad actually blends into the feed, and as a result you'll get much more reach, and the post would actually be shown to a large percent of, say, the page's 500k following. People use normal photos and videos designed for Facebook ads on Instagram, which isn't too good. What Gary Vee talks about is having creatives tailored for that platform. So you want ads tailored for Facebook, ads tailored for Instagram, ads tailored for IG story, and that's how you make the most out of advertising. What you should be doing, you should be making ads tailored for Instagram. As you can see, make memes such as the Apple Watch, an apple with a watch on top, and that watch can be easily photo edited. That photo might actually be photo edited, and there's a bunch of watches on AliExpress just like that one. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Your nose after blackhead removal. That's funny, that's shareable, that's something people would tag their friends and would organically go viral. And what you can do is tag your product underneath, a blackhead remover product, and it's as simple as that. Imagine if it goes viral and you have your link to your product that's tailored to that ad. If the ad gets like 1 million views organically after spending $50 on a shout out just because it was a really relatable and actually viral meme tailored for Instagram, let's say 0.5% of people convert. That means 1 in every 200. That means you get 5,000 purchases. Times that by, let's say, $30 per purchase. That's 150 grand from one shout out post that goes viral. That's all you need. You just need to keep running these influencer ads, and all you need is just one to go viral, and you're going to make back all the money you've spent and wasted on different influencers, different influencer creatives, etc. It's as simple as that. Here's more examples. These examples are even more powerful because they have the actual product in it and it looks like a meme. How many girls want this type of teddy bear? This had a lot of comments, 106. Next one, couples daily. Well, I want to do this. Who's down? You could sell inflatable beds like this, inflatable pool beds. And that one had 367 comments, which is pretty good. Here are even more powerful ones. Distance bracelets. The other one is a Star Wars sort of shower head. These are both really powerful Instagram tailored ads, and they do insanely well. And the results? The post will organically go viral on Instagram, because if an ad is sort of designed for Facebook, it's not gonna likely hit the explore page or go viral within IG. Viral Facebook ads work with Facebook. That's why you need to make viral Instagram content, because that would work for Instagram. 2, it'll blend right into Instagram feed, therefore there'll be much higher retention rate. So when people scrolling, people aren't gonna scroll past it because they think it's an actual post from that page. So you're gonna get a higher retention rate. 3, it would lead to higher click-through rates, which will mean more sales, and more sales at lower cost per conversions, which is super powerful. And that's why making Instagram tailored ads is really powerful, and you really don't want to be doing these generic ads. But yeah, that's it. That's how you make powerful Instagram ads. If you want this slide completely for free, it's in the description below. If you want to win $1,000 worth of courses or giveaway, drop a comment below, like the video, send me proof on Instagram, and I'll send you $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls. And I'll be picking a random video at the beginning of tomorrow's video. Other than that, hope you guys have been enjoying the value I've been dropping on these videos. If you guys have, be sure to be subscribed because I'm dropping value every single day. Peace.